guys are visiting Madurai, you can just enjoy the flight takeoff and landing. We're just in roadside. It would be nice. There you can see right one light blinking. That is the flight. We are not sure. If you come at daytime,
It's not visible.
if you come at daytime, it would be more visible. If you want to spot a flight landing and takeoff, means you can use this radar app. In this, which flight is going, which time, it will all will be clear. So right now it's going to take off from Madurai to Bangalore. So let's see. Coming. Pilot is. He put the first gear. He released the handbrakes. Now he's ready to move on. Passengers, please put the seatbelts. Guys, he is coming at 10 kilometers per speed. It's taking off. Yes, it's taking off. But it's not much visible.